What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time and I apologize for that. Just have a ton of stuff going on. I know you guys have been asking, where's Jeremy? Where's the Z-Bruhz? Where have we been? What have we been up to? All this jazz. Unfortunately, I've been studying my ass off for my boards of certification exam for the athletic training profession, and it's just been absolutely insane. So I've been studying for the past like 2 months, I would say, for this exam. This is basically like what my profession is going to be. And I take that this Friday on the 9th of April. So it's going to be a little hectic, but that's why I haven't really been able to put any footage up for you guys or really tried to actually get anything to put together. I have been working with Troy from Swivel Mount on a couple things. Also, I've been saving up for parts and such that I've needed just for the daily or the drift car. So I got a bunch of stuff coming, but today is a sad day because we are getting rid of the sim. The reason why I'm getting rid of the sim is mainly because in July I'll actually be moving to Boston, and my girlfriend and I actually got a small studio apartment, and it's just not going to be feasible to fit a simulator in there. I probably could have brought it to my parents' house and left it there, but honestly, with the room and such, it would have just been a headache in general. And I haven't really used it a lot. I really used it a lot during quarantine. I put probably around 150 laps in on the entire set, and it's just time to go. I haven't had time to use it at all. Mainly, if I would use it, I would just kind of sit as, like, this would be my setup here. So whenever I was streaming or whatnot, I would just sit and play Tarkov like this. I know it's kind of like a ghetto setup, but this is how I would play Tarkov. And I really haven't used the sim in a long time. So getting rid of the T3PA pedals, the TH8A shifter, the TSS handbrake and sequential. So getting rid of all that. I'm definitely going to keep my streaming stuff though. So I mean, if I am on Tarkov or not, I'll be able to stream. But yeah, so I'm packing all this up. I already have a buyer that's going to come and actually grab the entire sim. So that's pretty cool. So I know he's going to be super pumped about that. Ryan, hopefully you enjoy it. And like I said, I enjoyed it for the time that I had it. It's just right now, it's more of adulting. But while saying goodbye to the sim, I was actually able to pick up a one-piece drive shaft for the daily. So that's huge. I have run into a few issues with the daily in the diff. I noticed that I have a slight leak from the front seal of the pinion. So mainly me and Robbie are going to get into that as soon as I'm done with my boards and I have some time. We're going to take the diff out, replace all the seals on it, fill it with some red line, and then put this bad boy on, and should be good to go. So pretty stoked about that. I did get some arms from Power Tricks in for the drift car. So now I won't have camber wear anymore in the rear because my tire wear was just totally uneven and I'm basically just wasting tire. I already have some of the arms in. Actually, I forgot to tell you that. So some of the arms came in from Power Tricks, but Power Tricks right now, that camber arms are actually on back order for like 60 days. And I'm trying to drive an event before 60 days. So then I went to GK Tech and bought their rear camber arms. So I will have a set of rear camber arms up for sale. So just hit me up in the DMs on Instagram, or just leave a comment down below. And like I said, either I'll sell out the GK Tech ones or I'll sell out the Power Tricks ones. Depends on how lazy I am if I'd want to replace anything. So going off that, yeah, I was able to work with the men's ice hockey team at SHU. So Sacred Heart University, I was able to work with them in my last rotation. And I was fortunate enough to actually work the East Regional for the NCAA tournament. So it's pretty sick. So I got some memorabilia from there and all the pucks of the teams that I've seen, like Quinnipiac, Army, AIC, obviously some shoe pucks, Bemidji State. So pretty cool there. We got a little memorabilia section for whenever I get my actual desk in my own office. So be pretty sick. Enough said of that. Let's get into tearing down this sim. Alrighty, guys. So it's all broken down. So he's coming to pick up all the boxes. It's crazy how, like, little it actually is, because it's wild. But all that's all packed up. And I got this separated, so it's just going to be 2 easy pieces throw right in the back of the truck. Good to go. This guy's sad. Huh. He's sad. That used to be his spot, dude. Like, you guys don't even understand. Like, anytime I was gaming, that was his spot. All right, so now since I got everything practically all done for the sim, that's going to be out of the way. I just want to get into what I'm going to be working on and hoping that I can make work. Since I am moving to Boston, I need help from you guys, from anybody that you know that's going to be out in that way. If anybody has any shop space that they're going to have room for the drift car, I'm just putting a feeler out there because I'd like to film, and it'll just be extra content if I can make new friends in the Boston area, be able to film them and get more content for you guys, and just expand my knowledge just in cars in general. But yeah, so if you guys know anybody, leave a comment, DM me, send me a message anywhere. In the meantime, what I've been doing also is been making some t-shirts for the 2021 season. So if you guys are interested, I just want to throw this out there, a little plug, that I'm making sweatshirts and t-shirts. So I have a few orders coming up here. What I'm doing now is it's $50 for a sweatshirt, and then it's $30 for a t-shirt. This is the back, and then the front, that's the front. So if you guys are interested, obviously leave a comment, hit me up in the DMs, and yeah, we can get this shipped out and ordered to you. Dang, man. So weird. I mean, practically, yeah, when we moved in here, I had the sim here, so pretty wild. But I got it all packed up. So we're going to go downstairs, meet Ryan, help him pack it up in his truck, and say goodbye to the sim. And that's about it. So Ryan and the homies here, loading her up. Going sim shop, or shop sim, that's what we're going at. Yep. So that's be pretty sick. I'm glad that it's going to a good home. I'm bummed, but at the same time, at least it's going somewhere where it's going to be used and loved, and so
we're gonna use it, all right.
yeah, no, for sure. They're loading her up in the truck. By the way, the truck is sick. But the first thing I wrote, like, my neighbor was speaking to me, and I was like, oh, he's got a nice truck. I was like, oh. Yeah. Is this the tow rig for one of the cars, or no?
No, he's actually,
I'm gonna just drive it home.
Yeah, we're actually heading from here into Queens. He's picking up a right-hand drive 86.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So he's gonna drive that straight back. We're gonna take his truck, and then he'll probably eventually get a trailer.
Okay, yeah. Heck yeah. Yeah. I got a buddy, actually, I could put you in contact with that sells AE86 parts, too. Oh, yeah? So, yeah. Awesome. He's got an AE86. So.
Awesome.
Yeah, man.
That's great.
Jake, shout out. Jake. Rip it up, but all right, man. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Yeah, dude. Have fun on the track, in the sim world, all that. Later, boys. She gone. I'm gonna miss her. Later. In the arms of an angel. No, I'm just kidding. Again, I just want to apologize to you guys. I am sorry that I've not been able to get a ton of content out for you guys. I'm striving to, I'm pushing to. I have an AC video coming up for you guys, so how to recharge your AC if you don't have the correct ports for Z32. Again, we're going to be swapping the diff ratios out, and then also repairing a diff, and yeah, so that's about it. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe channel, or that button up here, and if you guys want to check any additional content out, click one of these links. In the meantime, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.